Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove audio from your video in CapCut PC. There are two ways to do this. You can either just select the mute. Actually, there's like three ways. You can either hit the mute button and there won't be any audio, as you can see. Or you can select this like line and turn it all the way down. Or you can go to audio and again turn it all the way down. Or you can right click, just select extract audio. Then you can select the audio here and delete it, and you won't have any audio to your video. That's how you can mute and like silence your video clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!